How to fix Gmail verification code. In this video guys, we will talk about the solution of this problem on your Gmail. Just watch this video till the end. So first you have to go and open the settings of your phone. Here you have to search for apps option. Open it, then you will find this list of applications. Here, as you see, you have all the applications that you have already on your phone. You have to search only for Gmail. Open Gmail like this and then go to storage. Click on clear data. Also click on clear cache. Then you have to back and click on force stop and click OK. And now what you should do guys, you have to go to install and no apps and you have to allow this like this. And that's it guys. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and also subscribing in our channel, and see you in another videos.